This is our main page. If you hover over the question mark, you can see the instructions for our website. We have three main categories: calendar, journal, creative play, and goal setting. Now let's navigate through the pages. If users click the whiteboard, it navigates to the creative play page. If users click the target, it navigates to the goal setting page. If users click the calendar, it navigates to the calendar journal page. Users can also change the sky color by clicking the moon or the sun. We also added flying birds, running rapid, firefly cursor, mouse star tracing effects, and sound effects.
Today I'm going to talk about our brainstorming process. Our team used Miro. First, we had a few brainstorming sessions where we had every single team member get to share their ideas, and we discussed what we wanted to keep and prioritize. We also had made several user stories. Afterwards, we came up with two designs. This is the first design, and this is the second design, which we ended up ultimately going with. And you can see on this design, after further discussions and meetings, we labeled each of our key features and wrote notes on them and discussed things like, for example, what it would look like on a phone versus a desktop. And yeah, that's our Miro.
To better organize our issues and in general tasks that we need to do for the project, we've utilized the issues in GitHub. So for instance, we have all of the different issues laid out and including who they're assigned to. And you can see we also have a use of labels distinguishing which issues are higher priority and what sprint are they related to. We've also utilized custom templates here. So you can see that we have an actual team custom template where we can add a title, we can add the task description, provide description of the task. Because we also have a use of backlogs, which I will show in a moment, and user stories, I can also integrate the backlogs here. There are some tasks have more subtasks related to them. So to clarify that, I've also added this section into the template. We have estimated effort and priority that you saw in the labels, dependencies, additional information in case the task requires extra notes here, and also determining who is actually assigned to this task and labels listed below.
We're also very active on Slack, and here's our daily stand-up channel. We have general meetings every Monday and Tuesday, and here's our meeting minutes. We also add ADRs whenever we make a decision. This is our repository.
An overview of our build pipeline. So what happens is you make your commit, and then you'll submit a pull request because you made your commit on a non-main branch, and then it needs to be approved as well as passing the run lint test before it can be merged into main. Here we have the run lint test. It uses superlinter to do the action, and they handle all the linting for our code. These are our branch protection rules on main. So you can't push directly to main. You need to commit and push to a non-protected branch, and then you can merge it into main via pull request, which requires one approval as well as passing the run lint status check. We also have codicy as one of our status checks. It's not required to pass, but it is a useful tool just so we can get a rundown on the quality of our code. You can see here the linters that we have enabled for the various different programming languages as well as markdown stuff. And then this is just the back end of our branch protection rules.